If you're someone that's given up on wearing eyeshadow, perhaps you just can't be bothered with the faff or you feel underconfident applying eyeshadow, then look no further than these shadow sticks. These have been designed to make defining your eyes with shadow super easy and, more importantly, foolproof. So if you're someone that's worried about applying eyeshadow because you don't have all the fancy brushes, you're not sure how to blend, you don't have to worry, because this trio has been designed to work together to create the perfect smouldering looking eye, such as what I'm wearing here. You don't need any fancy brushes with these, just the shadow stick and your fingers. You can't go wrong with these shadow sticks. They're so soft, so buttery, and they last all day. So if you're someone that's kind of given up on eyeshadow, try these eyeshadow sticks. They're gonna help you fall back in love with defining your eyes again.